Events for season 1. The Hamster Kombat season 1 ended on the 26th of September with their listing, and since then we have been in the interlude stage. So I'm doing this review to be able to prepare us for season 2 and also for us people to maximize the interlude stage. Now, on the interlude page, you go to the upper part, the right hand side where you have memories. So when you click on memories on my Hamster Kombat app, the first thing you're going to see there is best cards. So there are many cards there, but the best ones are fight, 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 business jets, success with this, and many more. After those best cards, when you click next, it's going to take you to the number of days you have been playing Hamster Combat. And as at the time they listed on September 26th, I played Hamster Combat for 38 days. So 38 days. Some played it for 100 days, some 120 and thereabout. But I played it for 138 days. And despite playing it for 38 days, I was able to get more from Hamster Combat than some people who played it for longer time. Why is this so? Let's continue looking at the review. Now you click next, you're going to see the number of cards I upgraded. I upgraded 2020 cards, that's 2020 cards were upgraded by me in the course of season 1. After looking at the card upgrade, you go to next and then you look at the coins I earned. The coins I earned was about this 2,660,795,937 and then 61 coins were what I earned. That's hamster coin. Then the next thing you want to do is we'll see some things that are not included in the hamster game, and then it's asking us to prepare for the interlude state. Now let me go back to the airdrop. The airdrop, when I go back to the exchange and that's home, then I click on airdrop. How many hamster did I get in total? That's the token. I got 1575.008478358, and I claimed 1389.94, and what I'm investing currently is 185. That is as at September 26th. Then the passive income I earned in season 1 was 920.311. That is the passive income. Passive income that I earned was about the highest, that gave me the highest. That shows us that in this interlude season, you should focus more on passive income, and also in the season 2, you should focus more on passive income. Then the end task, I have 8.51. That is all the task I was doing this, doing that. I had 8.51. Compare that with passive income, which is 920. Passive income was dependent on the profit per hour actually. So the friends, I had um, 51 token from the friends I referred. I referred about 10 or 11 friends. So talking about achievement, I had 104. Then keys also gave me very high amount, which is 490. So all these add up to give me 1,575. So the one that gave the aspect that gave me more token was the passive income, followed by the keys, then followed by achievements, and then followed by friends. And the last is end task. With the task I was doing, busy working on this, working on that, did not give me so much. So the passive income yielded a lot. So this is showing us that we should invest and focus more on passive income in any of the crypto airdrop game you're playing, or in our real life projects, we should focus more on developing our passive income. And this is where I'm going to stop on this video. If you have any question or comments, you can ask in the comment section below. So this is my own review for season 1. In the next video, I'll be talking to you about season 2 of Hamster Kombat. Please stay tuned to this channel and you'll be glad you did. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And check all my videos. You see, you are going to get a lot of benefit from it. So this is how I'm going to draw the curtain and draw the line now. Please subscribe, share this video, share the link of this video, like this video, and then drop your comment or question to the comment section below. The video that is popping up on my channel is the next one you need to watch now, and it is popping up right now. So click it and watch it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.